The Fluids Monitoring System is a CM2W solution that enables remote monitoring of all types of dosing systems used in the facility. It can manage up to 7 products, each of them equipped with a flow meter for measuring the chemical flow rate. One of the greatest benefits of the Fluid Monitoring Controller refers to its operating modes. The independent mode allows monitoring of the chemical consumption, where each chemical is reported as a separate dosing event. The combined mode allows monitoring of the chemical consumption as well, but reports several chemicals as a single dosing event. And the Dilution Monitoring mode offers the opportunity to monitor the concentration of a chemical in a water solution in order to check if the dosed chemical amount is in proper concentration according to the washing process requirements. The fluid monitoring solution could be implemented in various application fields like industrial laundry and dishwashing equipment, and as a diluted solution in kitchens and housekeeping departments in hotels. It is strongly used in the car wash industry, where it monitors the consumption of chemicals during the washing process. It could be used in both automatic wash systems and self-service wash systems. Furthermore, the controller can be assessed, calibrated, and programmed remotely through the CM2W platform. The calibration process does not require any specific labor training, and even very complex programming settings could be easily configured by any employee with general technical knowledge. Other great benefits of implementing the fluid monitoring system in a facility includes 24/7 connectivity to the CM2W platform, a remote configuration of the application program with real-time tech support, and a unique progress notification filter, PNF, for filtering and addressing important notifications to the responsible people and ensuring faster reaction time.